In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the problem with your Galaxy A17 5G where it's somehow not connecting to Wi-Fi. So I'm going to give you a couple of solutions, potential solutions you could use or you could employ to try and fix this problem. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So one of the first reasons why your phone is not connecting to Wi-Fi could be a problem with the router itself. So you want to go ahead and try and restart the router. You can turn it off, give it 5 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds, and then turn it back on and try to connect. Now, if that's still not working, you could try turning Wi-Fi off on your phone. So go to settings, connections, Wi-Fi, and then you can try turning Wi-Fi off. And then after like 5 to 10 seconds, turn it back on again. Okay. And then try to see if it's going to connect to your Wi-Fi. Now, if it's still not connecting, you might want to try and repair your phone to the Wi-Fi network. So you can go ahead and tap on settings and then completely forget that Wi-Fi network. And then after some time, try to connect afresh. So one of the things you might find out is it's either going to connect or you might find out that the password to that Wi-Fi network was changed. In which case, you need to go ahead and find out what the Wi-Fi password for that network is, the current one. Now, if it's still not connecting and you're sure you have the correct password, then you might want to try and restart your phone. So go to the power menu and then restart your Galaxy A17 5G. After the restart, you should try and connect to Wi-Fi again. If it's still not connecting, then you might want to try and reset all your network settings. And so to do that, you're going to have to go to settings. Under settings, go to general management, tap on that. And then under that, you want to go to reset. And then scroll down and select reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. And then confirm by tapping on reset settings. And then you could try and connect again. Now, at least one of those solutions should fix the problem with your Galaxy A17 5G not connecting to Wi-Fi. In fact, let me know in the comment section which one did help you. And thanks for watching. Good luck.